Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Nice to see you. We did surgery on your left shoulder about 3 months ago.
October 4th, correct.
We threw some biologics at you. We used a new Ziptek ZipE resorbable button for your repair. And we put in a ConMed BioRes collagen graft, as well as we used some platelets from you, PRP. You've done quite well from the beginning. I think you described that you had pretty significant dysfunction prior to surgery. Just give me a little bit of what that was like a week later, post-op, etc., and then your progress over the last couple months.
Well, after 1 week after you took the stitches, I was able to lift the book and actually put my own deodorant on. Before, I couldn't even lift my arm up to put my deodorant on, and that's how bad it was. But even after a week after surgery, I was able to lift it up enough to do that. And now I have almost full range of motion.
And your pain was significant prior to surgery?
Absolutely. Yeah. To 10 all the time. Now it's nothing. I take nothing. No Advil, no.
And you progressed pretty quickly after surgery too. This is not something that just occurred at 3 months. This was
it's right after surgery. I was quickly even when I went to therapy, they were amazed how much range of motion I had at such a short period of time.
And I believe we did a video a couple times, one at 1 week where you picked up a book not quite as big as this book, but you did. And then I think we picked up this book at a couple months post-op, right? 8 weeks post-op. And so you're about 12 weeks post-op. Can you just demonstrate for me without shrugging? Let me position your arm here. Bend your elbow a little bit. Thumb down. Yeah, there you go. All right. Can you raise that? Yeah. So not an issue here. Very good.
No.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.